In the previous class, we had discussed about the division of polynomials, and its verification also. What is its verification? Division rule. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, children, in this class, we are going to discuss about the algebraic identities and its proofs. Okay, now first of all, what is an identity? See, children, identity, an equation which is true for all the values of the variable involved is called an identity. An equation which is true for all values of the variable involved is called an identity. Now see, children, for example, a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. It is an equation. Why it is an equation? Okay, see, this is one expression, this is another expression. These two expressions are separated by equality sign. That's why it is called an equation. Okay, children, see, it is an equation. Now we are going to discuss about the geometrical proof of a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Take a line and take an arbitrary point from here to here. The distance is, let it be a, and this point to this point the distance is b. Now name them a, see here, b, c. That means ab is one distance and BC is another distance. Now we are made it into a square. See here, it is a square, and join a line through B also, and take one more arbitrary point here. Okay, from here to this point is A also. Now from this point join a line. Okay, name them A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now see, children, see here, this distance is A and this distance is B. Therefore AC distance is equals to A plus B. AC distance means AB plus BC. That is equals to A plus B. Now finally see, ACEG is a square. Okay, what is the area of the square? Side into side. Now see, children, area of square ACEG, which is equal to side into side, which is equals to, what is its side? See here, A plus B, this distance is A plus B. That means A plus B, this is also A plus B, this is also A plus B, this is also A plus B. Now area of square is equal to side into side. See here, A plus B into A plus B, which is equals to A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square. That is equation number 1. Okay, see, children, see, this square divides into, this is the first part, this is the second part, and this is the third part, and this is the fourth part. Now see, this square divides into two small squares and two rectangles. Now see, children, A, B, C, let it be I. A, B, I, H. is 1 square, and see here IDEF another square, and see here BCDI is rectangle, and HIFG one more rectangle. Okay, see children, this area, see this area of the square ABIH is the A square. Sorry. Now this area is the, see here, what is its length? B. What is its length? B. That means side. This is also side B. This is also side B. Therefore it is also square. Therefore side into side. Okay. See here, B square. It is the rectangle. BCDI is the rectangle. Now what is the area of the rectangle? See here, this side is A into B, AB, A into B, AB. Now see here, this one same as this distance also A, and this distance is B. Therefore it is also area of the rectangle A into B, A into B. Okay, see children. Now see area of ABIH is equals to A into A, which is equals to A square. Now area of IDEF is equals to B into B, which is equals to B square. Now see, area of rectangle BCDI is equals to length into breadth, which is equals to, what is its length? A. What is its breadth? B, which is equals to AB. Now see, area of rectangle, and one more rectangle, HIFG, which is equals to A into B, which is equals to AB, Okay, see children. Okay children, see area of square ACEG is equals to area of ABIH plus area of see IDEF plus area of BCDI plus area of HIFG, which is equals to area of square ACEG is A plus B whole square, which is equals to area of ABIH, A square plus B square, this area, and this area is AB plus this area of HIFG is AB. See children, A square plus, how many ABs are there? 2 ABs are there. Therefore plus B square. Therefore A plus B whole square is equals to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay. Hence it is proved. From this formula we can find out so many problems. Okay children. This A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square can be explained with the teaching aid also. See here, it is a square. This is the green piece, and this one is the ash color piece, and this is also ash color piece, and this one is light pink color. Now see children, this green piece, distance of this green piece is, let it be A, and this one is B. Finally this total length is a plus b. Okay, now this is also a plus b, this is also a plus b, this is also a plus b. Okay children, see, this is the square, this is the square. What is the area of square? What is the area of square? Side into side, that means a square, a square. Now see, it is the rectangle piece. Okay, up to here this is the a. Okay, why? Because this distance also a, this distance also a, here also a. Therefore, this is the rectangle piece. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, length into breadth. Therefore, a into b, a into b. Okay children, see here, this is also same. This distance is b and this distance is a. Okay, this is also another rectangular piece. Okay, therefore side, length into breadth, ab. Okay, this one is the square piece, pink color square piece. Okay, this distance is, see b, this is also b. Okay, this is b means it is a square shape, that's why all sides are equal in a square. Therefore b into b is equals to b square. Therefore this total length, area of square is equal to a plus b whole square and a square plus ab plus b square. A square plus ab plus b square. Therefore a square plus, how many ab's are there? Rectangular pieces 2. Therefore 2 ab's are there. Therefore b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the geometrical proof of a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, thank you children. Thank you. Stay safe and stay home. Thank you so much.